Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Auntie Karen's Story Time. My name is Miss Harmony, and I'm so glad you're here. Today's story is a quiet little tale with a big lesson. It's about a small red hen, a seed of wheat, and the power of doing what needs to be done even when no one else offers to help. This is the Little Red Hen, retold from a classic folk tale. Are you ready? Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a cozy little yard, not too far from here, lived a little red hen. One morning, as she was tending to her garden, she found a tiny seed lying in the dirt. "Oh," she said softly, "this is a wheat seed. If I plant it, I could grow the wheat, grind it into flour, and bake a nice warm loaf of bread." She smiled just thinking about it, but it would take work. So she called out, "Who will help me plant the seed?" Pig shook his head. "Not I," he said. Cat looked up from her nap. "Not I," she yawned. And Rat? "Not I," he mumbled, too busy chasing a butterfly. The little red hen looked at them kindly and said, "Then I will plant it myself." And she did. She planted the seed in the soil. She watered it every morning. She pulled weeds and watched it grow tall and golden in the sun. When the wheat was ready, she asked again, "Who will help me cut the wheat?" "Not I," said the pig. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the rat. "Then I will cut it myself," said the little red hen. And she did. She tied the stalks in bundles, carried them inside, and let them dry. When the time came to grind the wheat into flour, she asked once more, "Who will help me grind the wheat?" You already know what they said. "Not I," said the pig. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the rat. So the little red hen took the wheat, ground it into fine flour, and measured it carefully. Finally, she mixed it with water, a little yeast, and a touch of salt. She kneaded the dough, shaped it gently, and slid it into the oven. Soon the smell of fresh bread floated through the air, warm, comforting, and rich. Pig sniffed the breeze. Cat opened her eyes. Rat peeked around the corner. And when the little red hen brought the loaf out of the oven, they all came running. "That smells good," said the pig. "I'll help eat it," said the cat. "I'll take a piece," said the rat. But the little red hen looked at them, not with anger, just with truth. She said, "When I asked for help, no one had time. So today, I will eat this bread myself." And she did. The end. Sometimes the people around us want to enjoy the reward, but they don't want to do the work. The little red hen teaches us this. If you believe in something, plant the seed. If no one helps, tend to it anyway. If you do the work, don't be afraid to honor your effort. Because when we care for something from start to finish, the joy is even sweeter. Thank you for joining me today for Auntie Karen's Story Time. Remember, even the smallest seed can grow into something beautiful if you're willing to care for it. If you like this story, tell a friend, a teacher, or someone you love. And come back next week for more stories that make you smile, think, and dream. Until then, keep reading, keep growing, and keep being brilliant. See you next time.